Right, let's have a look at gold and cable. I'm going to start off with gold. So since my last video, this level has provided over 320 pips. There was a counter opportunity on Friday, which was the 38 and break retest of this level, which it did provide to nearly 200 plus pips. I personally didn't take it. There was PPI on Friday, which came out as strong USD at 130, which pushed gold lower, and to offset that, there was also consumer sentiment, and this came out as negative USD, which helped push price back up. And I'll also come back to that when I talk about cable. But the zones that I do have are as follows. So if we plot the same fib again, there is a tiny little level break retest of this wick with 50 fib, but with an almost 200 plus move having with it almost a 200 plus pip move happening within a 40 pip proximity, fucking hell, of this, I'm not interested in it. Rather, I'd prefer this 61, which also is a psychological level, and also the big 38. So this one definitely worth a shot, especially if price keeps trending upwards. Any other buy apart from that, it is very sketchy, if I'm being honest. There is also this trend line on this zone as well, if we do reach within Monday, Tuesday. In terms of news for this week, so for the dollar, it's Tuesday USD retail. Actually, I'll just show it you. So these are the news events which I'll be keeping an eye out on. Apart from that, everything else is sketchy in terms of a buy. We could go from here. If you plot this fib as well, see this fib is sketchy as well. I don't like how it's over here. I mean, I prefer its key level is stronger than fibs, so you'd first look at the key levels, and it's still sketchy. It's like there is this, but it's made the move quite a few times. The only way I would buy anything anywhere around here would be with alignment or timing. There is a potential zone for silver, which is the 61 kind of break retest, which I'll keep an eye out for. Also, if we're near a zone and there's news coming, I would cancel it. Um, and yeah, we'll just see how market plays out, how it approaches these zones, how it approaches these areas, and how price action is, and what's driving the market. In terms of sells, all the sells are the same. Previous high, psychological level, huge fucking 2500 level. Um, and apart from that, let's have a look at cable. Now, I am in this level. It is half a position size because I wouldn't want to hold over the weekend. Um, so if you look at this, this is when PPI came out. We saw a huge push. I mean, I say huge push, it's like barely a 40 pip move. But with um, the consumer sentiment coming out as weak USD, it helped push it up. Went to the level, hasn't even given 10 pips yet. So since the move hasn't happened on Friday and all week, if you look at the week, it has been very bullish. For cable 200 pip move in a week is fucking huge. Also coming to this level, it's definitely worth a go. We don't have much of a driver on Monday. There is Chinese GDP, which if it is strong out of expectations, it could move USD slightly, but I doubt it. So we'll see how this level plays out. With USD, I have noticed I miss a lot, and zones do get smashed, etc. But when it works nice. So might not be this one. I mean, I've got fucking a shit ton of zones on top. I don't know why that one's like that. But we'll see how this one plays out, and I will update if necessary.